What's going on, everybody? It's Nick here from Unstable Antics. We got a very good show for you today. It's something out of the ordinary. We got filming a unit here, so we got a bunch of cars that aren't Mustangs. You want to check them out? Let's check them out. 76 Formula. This is my dad's high school car, my uncle's high school car. This is my cousin's Super B. And we got more cars out here than probably most car meets do. At least the quality of car. 442. Of course, the Mustang. Got the grill master Corey Mitchell Hansen over here. What you grilling up, dude?
Victory.
Victory. There's Kyle, he's looking hella good.
Hey, I got yours ready to go.
Look at this shit. Is that mine?
Yeah. Toasted it for you.
That's good, dude.
The cheese started to melt out here, so.
No worries, dude. Wait, what cheese down that?
Oh, fine.
Good cheese.
No, you can't have. Nick, tell me real quick.
Yeah. I like my seat. What are you doing?
What's up, Troy? Yeah? Is this where the party's at?
Where the party's at.
There's a beetle.
A beetle?
Yeah, up there.
A beetle?
Yes.
Oh boy.
Make a pop of wheelie.
You ready? All right. All right, we just finished our portion of the cruise and everyone's rolling in.
What? Take your phone off. Phone. Your phone's going.
Oh, there.
I thought you listened to a baseball game or something for a second. What in the world?
A little smoky back there for you, Troy?
Yeah, yes,
Oh my gosh. You can smell like E85 from.
Well,